Hey guys, you're
Hi
fine.
guys.
Where you at?
I'm at the Hall of Fame,
In.
Elkhart, Indiana, for
We are.
RVs and manufactured homes.
Yes. I thought the MH was for motorhome. Manufactured home.
Manufactured.
It's really cool. We just got in here. It's $12 a head. You can boondock, driveway surf, dry camp, whatever you want to call it. They have parking spots, pull-throughs for RVs. You can stay the night you get here, go to the museum, and stay the next night. So you can stay 2 nights for free, which we're doing. And we're going to go through this museum and see what they got.
Yay!
Let's go. This is a scale of I'm assuming the factory.
It's a 124 scale of the manufacturing plant.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Sorry, I don't have a gimbal, so it's a little shaky, but that is pretty cool. We are going to go through the Newmar tomorrow, Newmar factory in Napanee. But this is what they call new models in here.
See how they do it?
Look at this little guy.
Shasta?
Let's see if we can look inside this one. Has a stove. That over there is a ice box. A sink that I would probably have to sit on my butt to even start to use, but it looks like it has hot and cold. Has 2 knobs on it. And then this back here pops out for your bed. I'm assuming at one time that made a dinette maybe. Isn't that neat? So this is a GMC that a very rich guy that owned a nuclear waste plant saw this sitting in the field, pulled it out, hired an architect.
No, he didn't hire an architect.
I thought she said architect. Architect and somebody else, a designer.
Oh, he didn't hire an engineer.
Yeah. And what he did is took a Prevost and tried to make this as nice as a Prevost. But it got so heavy that the frame couldn't handle it and they never could get it tagged. Look at this. This is really, really cool. Probably one of the fanciest GMCs I think you'd ever see. Isn't this something? I mean, I can't even stand up straight on it. It's short.
Oh, it is.
Yes. Look at the wine glasses. Right here. Got his TV.
I think the shower would cause a problem here because it's got a curtain.
Nice cabinets. The whole back is a bathroom.
Yeah, but the shower would cause a problem
Let me see if I can get it. What is that?
because it's rounded.
Oh, like a school bus. I got you. Yeah. Well, look at all this wasted space right here. Unless he's got something hid behind this.
Yeah, but it says don't touch anything, so I'm not.
Touching nothing, but move. Let me see the sink.
Maybe it's the motor. The sink's pretty.
Yeah.
I think this opens.
And then back here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but has all the electronics just like a Prevost would have. Don't touch any of the buttons. But I would get a crook in my neck if I stayed in this very long. Now this is the entrance to the museum. And they say it is set up like a campground. The oldest being 1913. What was the newest?
I don't remember.
85, 86, something like that.
Yeah.
Speaking of it, this is it, the 1913. You guys,
Ford.
1913 Earl Travel Trailer and Model T Ford. Look at this thing. This is actually really nice. I don't know if it's been redone or not, which I'm guessing it probably has, but it's not that bad.
Does it fold down?
I don't think so.
Well, it's hooked to the Model T Ford up there. Yeah.
Oh, look here. Big screen on the side. Let's see if I can back up. Get it all.
This is plastic, like this.
Is it? The Model T if you're pulling it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. The light's playing with me here, but 1916 telescoping apartment.
Oh.
Sold for $100.
It goes on the back of like a truck.
Yeah, Model T it says. Look at this. First truck camper maybe?
Maybe.
Look at this stove. Oh, we think we got it so rough boondocking. Look at that.
You should take a trip to Forest City, Iowa, and take the Winnebago Industries factory tour. Trust me, you'll really be impressed.
That is so neat. And they still wore dresses and ties.
And hats.
Look at this.
The shower bath is supplied with water warmed by the engine, which flows by gravity from the tank under the roof.
Huh. That's pretty cool.
Oh,
Oh,
it comes out on the side.
for all the Airstream craze. 1958 22 footer. Man, that thing is polished. Look at the top up there. Looks like it has a stove in
That is the furnace.
it. Is it?
Yeah, this is all furnace right here.
Can't go in this one, but
There's a stove over there.
etch and sketch.
We had one of those when we started camping.
Let's see if I can swing around in here. That's pretty cool. But
One of
this big monster is the furnace. Holy smokes. 1958 Airstream. They say it was the smallest one built. Der Kleiner Prinz. Yeah, well, I just butchered that, so. Look at this little guy. Couch. No, them furnaces like you see in a house. Holy smokes, that thing's huge. I have no idea the BTU on it, but you'd think it'd burn you out of here. And back there is a cook and a pooper. 1916 Cozy Camp Tent Camper. Probably one of the first pop-ups. Look at this thing. You just slide a cot underneath. Isn't that neat?
This was donated. It was found in a barn in Athens, Alabama in 1999.
This was found in a barn?
In Alabama in 1999. Didn't have those seats. They added the seats to it. It had a bench only. And after being stored for 40 years, it actually ran.
It did run?
Yeah.
Look at the inside, the woodwork of this thing.
It's oak and poplar.
Wow.
And the floors are yellow pine.
That right there is actually pretty. That's a lot of storage. And, hopefully you can see it, a very small potbelly stove. Wow. Another little pop-up camper. Hey, that almost looks like our first pop-up camper.
It does.
I don't think ours was that old, but 1935 covered wagon.
This was made in Michigan.
Was it?
The manufacturer's from Michigan.
I don't know if you'll be able to see very good inside, but
45 to 50 trailers a day they built.
35 to 50 a day?
45 to
Oh,
50.
45 to 50. That's pretty good.
The
Oh,
exterior is
God.
leatherette over thin plywood.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the
Canvas
inside.
stretched over tar paper.
You got these older ones roped off. They don't want nobody in them, which I understand. Full screen door. And it is a, probably won't be able to see it. 1950 Fleetwood Sporter. Very first camper built by Hall of Fame member John Crean at the beginning of the Fleetwood enterprise. And this is a little guy. Little guy. Let me see if I can get inside. It doesn't. It does look all original. Julie said that earlier.
Yeah. The
'Cause you can
table's
see some-
gone.
yeah, you can see
There's supposed
some-
to be a table here.
Yeah, and you can see water damage. And again, back then they had ice boxes. Dad's first camper had an ice box in it. Wasn't a refrigerator.
And there's bunk beds back here. I'm in the way.
Yeah. And Julie,
This is storage. It's not a bathroom.
and Julie said it best. They must have been short.
Must have everybody been short then.
'54 Holiday Rambler. Look at this. Wow. Look at the curtains.
Love it.
Now this one looks like it has an actual fridge in it.
I like the screen. I bet it's an ice box. Let me look.
Go ahead.
Oh, Ronnie, you need a picture of these bunk beds in here.
Thanks, she squirreled. Oh, they're canvas.
Yeah.
Look at that. Put two people up there.
Kids.
Yeah. And then that right back there, move your arm. That right there to make a bed.
Yeah.
And a closet. That you can't see because it's too dark.
Yeah.
Look at that. This is a 1955 Ranger crank up trailer tent.
It's one of fewer than 200 ever built.
Wait till you see inside this thing. Now look at this. How about taking the whole family? Hopefully it shows up. There's a bunk bed, a bed, and then over here is a bed, another bunk bed. I have no idea what that is back there. It's just a big hole, but look at this thing. Storage up there. 1931 Mae West house car. Wow.
This is one of the enticements offered by Paramount Studios
Oh,
to
really?
get her to leave the vaudeville circuit and begin to make movies for him.
Look at this back. It's almost like a stage, not
It's
stagecoach, a
chauffeur
rail
driven
car.
lounge, and not as a camper unit. Hot plate stove, an ice box, small table to enjoy lunch or a spot of tea. It was used for several years to transport Miss West from her home or hotel to the shooting locations. She had a rocking chair on the back porch where she could enjoy the breeze when appropriate.
It is actually pretty cool the way it's laid out.
Yeah.
Look at that. Mae West.
Look at this one.
the museum, but upstairs they have a very big library. And the lady was telling us down below that people that build vintage or are redoing campers, motorhomes, whatever, they come here because of the brochures, the books, and they can do them all back the way they're supposed to be. So it's not only a museum, it's a huge library.
They're adding on to the library too.
Yeah. It's just shelves after shelves, and I'm assuming it's old brochures and manuals and
It is.
it is.
I looked at a bunch of them.
Hey guys, so what'd you think?
I liked it.
Really cool.
Really, a lot of information. My favorite was the Tennessee Traveler.
Yes, it was pretty cool, but it's neat to see how they've come since the first one in here is 1913.
And it's in the Guinness Book of World Records.
Yes, and it's neat to see when they went from where they flipped over from ice boxes to refrigerators.
Yes.
The different kinds of, I mean, some of the stoves was like big black iron restaurant stoves.
And
the
some
cooktops.
of them were just little burners with propane.
Yeah.
tank.
Pump
Yeah.
sinks. I can remember Dad's first RV had an ice box and a pump sink and a kerosene light in it. I was a little bitty guy. I was probably about 6 years old, but they have come a long, long way in here, I'm telling you. But
It's definitely worth stopping and going in.
it's worth the money.
Well, they have discounts for anybody over 60 and if you're in the military.
Yep.
So,
I don't know what kind of discount, but. And you can stay 2 nights here
yeah.
in their parking lot. It's not secured. It's right next to the toll road. You can throw a rock and hit a truck going down the toll road. It wasn't bad last night. It's kind of cool, so we had the windows shut, but it wasn't bad for us. But this is neat. We're going to look around a little bit more, and we're going to get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you ever get up in Elkhart, you can take tours not only of this, but of the RV factories.
Yeah, Thor, I think she said they do, and
I think Fleetwood does.
Fleetwood.
And we're going down tomorrow to Napanee, just south of here, and we're going to go through New Mars, take that tour, and then work our way home and probably be back in our hometown Thursday, Friday.
Yeah.
We'll see. Hey, thanks for watching, guys.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs down. Facebook.
Instagram.
You're Instagram. I'm Facebook.
Instagram. I'm sorry. You were slow.
I was. Hey, we'll see you
Instagram.
guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.